I'm going to show you how to lock the mouse in Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up Parsec, go to the settings, and then on the client tab, you want to scroll down, and then you can enable the immersive mode from here. You can enable both for keyboard and mouse, or you can set it to mouse specifically. And what this will do is keeps your mouse cursor inside the remote session instead of drifting back to your local desktop. You might need to restart Parsec after applying these settings and then try to reconnect to a session. Now, while you are in a session, you can hold down Control Alt and then M, and that should usually toggle capturing your mouse on and off, so you can try that. And also make sure the Parsec window is focused when you're pressing these hotkeys. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.